Friends, here is one more problem based on the same direction. Here we have to find opposite faces for the given figure. Okay, this is folded in the form of cube, and then which face is opposite to which one is to be identified. Okay, as I said in the previous problem, the problems related to this topic are already uploaded on our YouTube page. You go to there, the detailed explanation about such problems explained there. And coming to this example, I'm going to draw that given figure here and then try to find which are the faces opposite to each other. Okay, let me draw that. And lastly a plus mark. So as I said, you have to give numbers to all the faces. The important point is you have to get continuous 4 faces. It may be in vertical order or it may be in horizontal order. You have to get 4 continuous faces. That is the important point. Now I will give numbers to the faces 1, 2, 3, 4, and I will give 5, 6. Now as I said in the previous example, face 1 is opposite to face 3. Now face 2 is opposite to face 4. Okay, this is the technique. That means equal sign should be opposite to lesser than sign. I will write here. Equal sign should be opposite to lesser than sign. Next, face second is opposite to face 4. That means percentage sign is going to be opposite for plus sign. Okay, percentage sign is opposite to plus sign. Next, we left with 2 signs, that is multiplication sign and greater than sign. They are opposite to each other. I will write here multiplication sign and greater than sign. These are the faces which are opposite to each other. Just compare this with the given alternatives. Whichever it matches, that will be the right option. In the first option, it is seen that into sign or multiplication sign greater than sign, they are opposite to each other. Yes, it is correct. Now next, equal sign and plus sign. Equal sign is opposite to plus, but here our answer is equal sign should be opposite to less than sign. That means option 1 is wrong. Now moving to second option. Second option says multiplication sign is opposite to percentage sign, but it is not there. Percentage sign is opposite to plus, so option 2 is the wrong one. Now moving to third option. Multiplication sign is opposite to greater than, which is already checked, which is correct. Okay, in the first option itself we already checked that, that is correct. Now moving to here, equal sign is opposite to lesser than sign. Is it? Yes, equal sign is opposite to lesser than sign. This is also correct. Now percentage sign is opposite to plus sign. See, yes, percentage sign is opposite to plus sign. That means option 3 is the right option. This is how we solve this example, and as I said, you can go to our YouTube page. There we uploaded different videos related to the same topic, and also you will get different videos related to different topics as well. Go to that page and don't forget to subscribe. Well friends, now I will move to next problem.